We got the Glock family over here. Gas, spring. Beautiful guns. And we got the cap guns over here. Don't underestimate these cap guns, guys. I'll show you why. Ready? Big holes. Alright, guys. And that's just pulling the trigger. 8-shooter. Very nice. Let's see if we can get one more for you guys. No hesitation. Bullets went right through. Alright, guys. I brought this down the street for $2. But be very careful, guys. Don't underestimate this. It does hurt, you know. But compared to these, 400 FPS, then you've got upgraded springs, Glocks. You know what I mean? This one's probably the weakest. But if you hear this thing Glock, what? And very accurate. You can just hit the target from there. Very easy. Yeah. There we go. Right through. No hesitation. Glock, beautiful guns.